to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef, where we're going to do the most tender beef jerky that you have ever had in your life. We're going to use hamburger. I got my teriyaki mix already. We're going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. And put my gloves on here. Because it tends to be a little messy, at least until it absorbs the liquid. Alright. So we have 3 pounds of just ground chuck. Alright. We're just going to put it in here and we're just going to mix it real good. Get that flavor all through there. That's why I got the gloves. Then we can squish it around. And we're doing teriyaki. You can get jerky cure at any of your lawn and garden centers. Get her all mixed up here. Might take a minute, but it's well worth it. I mean, you can use flank steak, but folks, price of meat, flank steak's a little pricey right now. Even sirloin. I mean, go with ground chuck. I know a little store, Edinburgh Corner Store. It's $3.79 a pound still. Nobody else around here's got that kind of deal. It's a little mom and pop store. Been in business for years and years. Oh yeah, got that mixed up real good. Alright. Let me go ahead and clean up here a minute. I'll be right back with you guys. Now you guys don't have to use a jerky gun. I just happen to have one. Because I make jerky all the time. You can make them any length you want. You want to leave some space between it. I'm just using Dehydrator. Jerky guns sometimes a little messy, but it's well worth it. Got Gunshy with us today on the camera. Got one tray. Set that over there. Takes anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to do a batch of jerky. And we're gonna reload. It holds, well, this is just a small jerky gun, guys, but it holds about, I would say about a half a pound of burger. Just sort of pack it in there, guys, to get out any air bubbles. You can also just roll it out with a rolling pin. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. And cut it. You can do it that way as well. But I tell you what, guys, this is so tender. You'll be amazed. Old Gunchy, he's like, oh, it smells horrible. Yeah, but it's gonna taste so good. Look how fast we can whip that out with the gun. And it's gonna shrink up too, guys. Whoop. And we'll do a couple little pieces there. And you don't even have to really cut it or anything. It just sort of lays right in place. And I have had this dehydrator for years and years. Many batches of jerky. I mean, you can, I think I only paid, I don't know, I think I paid like 10 bucks for this. I mean, they have bigger ones, which makes it a lot easier because they hold like a pound of meat at a time. But they're like 50 bucks. That's crazy. I'm trying to be a little economical here. But I can't stress enough on gloves, guys. Gloves makes it so much easier. I was gonna do a hot batch, but I decided, yeah, we'll just do the teriyaki. I like spicy. Don't you? Yeah, not so much. And it takes, you know, like I mentioned earlier, about 4 to 6 hours. We're gonna flip it over after about 2 to 3 hours. We'll dab it off with some paper towels. And slide that piece over, make room for another. Now, the more space you can leave between your jerky, the faster it'll dehydrate too, guys. I actually have bought extra trays. And you can tell, it's pretty old. They're discolored. You guys won't be disappointed. You can get dehydrators fairly cheap. You can also do it in the oven, low temperature, if you don't have a dehydrator. All right. It's definitely tasty. Yeah, that'll be a little test chunk. You can use a knife and cut it, but I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and do the rest of these trays. I'll be back with you in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Gonna go ahead and see how our jerky's doing. Oh yeah, looks like it's doing pretty good. Smells awesome. I'm just gonna dab it off here. Just drain some of the oil off. And we're gonna go ahead and just flip this over. It'll take a minute to do all these. But man, it is smelling good. See, I had said it would shrink up, guys. We're just gonna. It's not draining as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Man, it looks good though. I mean, look at how much you pay for a bag of jerky. And we're making twice that amount here for a third of the cost. Alright. Well, I just wanted to show you guys how we were getting along. I'm going to go ahead and finish flipping these over. And we'll see you when it's done. Alright guys, the jerky should be ready. Unplug the dehydrator. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, this is awesome stuff here, guys. And we should probably give a piece to our cameraman.
Just like the Teriyaki company. Jack Daniels. No, that's a beer company. I forget the
Jack Links.
Yeah, like that.
But I mean, look at that jerky, guys. This, folks, is the absolute most tenderest jerky you're ever gonna eat.
Mm-hmm.
And once it rests, it dries out real nice. It's perfect. But I think the Reaper gonna try a piece of this. Thanks again for being with us. God bless you guys. We love you. Thanks for all the support. And we'll see you next time.